This video is a quick guide to zoning and planning in St. Tammany Parish, focusing on the Home Rule Charter, the Unified Development Code, and the process in unincorporated District 6. The Home Rule Charter is the constitution of the parish. Adopted in 1998, it establishes the legislative branch or council, which makes or changes zoning ordinances, and the executive branch or president, which enforces the laws and processes permits. The Unified Development Code, or UDC, is the rulebook for building. It combines all parish ordinances regarding land use, including zoning in Chapter 130, subdivision in Chapter 125, and drainage in Chapter 115. Decisions are made by three groups: the Planning Department, which handles applications and technical compliance but does not vote; the commissions, appointed bodies that review rezoning and approve subdivisions; and the Parish Council, which votes on zoning map changes. The core distinction between zoning and planning is: zoning, under UDC 130, determines what can be built based on land use. Planning, under UDC 125, determines how land is divided, focusing on lot layout, drainage, and roads. The zoning change process involves 4 steps: applications submitted to the Planning Department, a hearing by the Zoning Commission, a review and recommendation to the Council, and finally, an ordinance where the Council votes on the law change. Subdivisions are governed by UDC Section 125. Minor subdivisions involve 5 lots or fewer on existing roads, usually approved by staff. Major subdivisions create new streets or utilities, requiring strict scrutiny by the Planning Commission through public hearings. Major subdivision steps include a tentative concept phase for compatibility review, a preliminary engineering phase for technical compliance of hydrology and drainage, and a final dedication phase, where constructed roads are accepted into the parish maintenance system. The mobile home overlay is a floating zone that, when added to districts like A2, allows mobile home placement. Standards require a HUD red seal, proper anchoring, and approved skirting material around the base. In District 6, the predominant zoning is L1, large lot residential, and RO, rural overlay, which preserves rural aesthetics. Common issues debated include drainage, traffic on rural roads, and cluster density requests. Effective participation means focusing comments. For zoning cases, speak to use, compatibility, and general welfare. For subdivision cases, focus on technical compliance. Referencing specific UDC sections is highly effective. In summary, the Charter separates powers. The Code distinguishes between discretionary zoning changes and technical subdivision approvals. Understanding these distinctions helps residents target feedback effectively when participating. Thank you for watching this video. You can review the Unified Development Code at www.stpgov.org or connect with us on the web at keepbushrural.net. Presented by Residents for Rural Integrity.